this question, we look at persistent volumes and how to configure them with a pod. In order to successfully approach this question, you need to know how to set up a persistent volume claim, and how to mount this in your pod. I will now take you through all the steps. First, let's have a look if yellow PV volume is running. And it is. Now we go to the next step, which is checking the documentation. And we look for persistent volume claim. And we use this example, so I will copy it. And we create a new YAML file. We paste it here. And of course, change the size. We delete the storage class and change the name. And we save the file. Now we create a persistent volume claim with kubectl createF. And it's created. We don't create the yellow pod yet, but instead save the output to a YAML file. And now we edit the same file. First we add the volume. And now we add the name of the persistent volume. And we also add the volume mount to the container. And we save the file. And now we are able to create a pod with the YAML file. And it's created. So finally, let's verify once more. And as you can see, it's bound. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.